Oh, hi.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Yeah, xin chào. Hi, hey, hey, how are you? I
Wonderful.
Wow, you're wonderful. Did you have your dinner? Not yet. No?
Yes.
Oh, what did Ooh, okay. What did you eat for dinner?
And and
Uh,
I'm not it. I I
uh,
know it's it. I don't. I
I did not eat yet.
yes.
Okay. Maybe later after class you will eat dinner, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so today, what we're going to talk about is this. Hey, hey, look. Ta-da! What's this? Can you read that? Where's
Where
the
is where
pet?
is a pet shop?
Yes, where is the pet shop? What about you, Benny? Oh, Benny. What about you, hey, hey? Do you have a pet?
No, I have a
Mhm.
fish.
Oh, that's still a pet. I have a fish pet.
I have a fish, and I left and eating fish.
Okay, one more. So you have a pet fish? Yeah. Mm. Okay, so you say, I have a pet fish. Is it big or small?
Small and there are
How many?
three. There are one fish. There are one fish small, and I have two big fish.
I have
I,
one big.
I have two big. I have two big fish.
You said two, three. One big and two small fish?
No,
Oh,
one fish small and two big
big.
fish.
Okay, all right. So one small fish and two big fish, right?
Big
Oh, two big fish, yes. What do they eat? They eat? What do they eat?
fish eat in of foods and show fish.
Yes, they eat fish food, of course, yeah. Like the flakes, right? Like this. Maybe like this one. Is it like this? I'll show you. Like this?
Yeah,
Yes, okay. And so that is your pet fish. Okay.
I have fish.
You have?
Four fish.
Oh, okay. They live where? In a fish bowl or aquarium? Where do they live? Hehe.
A rectangle ball.
A fish bowl? They live in a fish bowl?
No,
I'll show you one. Hmm? The fish bowl. Is it a big fish bowl like this?
let's see.
Yeah? Like this?
Oh, I have a rectangle. I have
Right.
a rectangle.
Aquarium. Okay. So it is
Rectangle.
rectangle. Okay, we call it aquarium. Say like this one.
Yes,
Yes,
it's
like
right.
this. Okay. My fish say aquarium.
It's quiet.
Aquarium. Say it again.
Quiet.
Yes, aquarium. So when we say aquarium, it's this, right? Ta-da! Listen.
aquarium, bể cá,
Yeah. This one, right? That's Becca. Aquarium. Say it again.
Aquarium.
Aquarium. Aquarium, aquarium, aquarium. One more.
Aquarium.
Louder. Aquarium. Open your mouth.
Aquarium.
Very good. Okay, so why did teacher ask that? Because we're going to learn about the pet shop. Yeah, pet shop. And read this one. Can you say road, road, road?
Road, road, road. The road is very long.
Yes, perfect. I like it. What about here? Say straight, straight, straight.
Straight, straight, straight.
Okay, the road
The road
goes.
goes straight,
Oh.
straight.
Yes, the road goes straight. So see this road, it's a straight road. Next is turn, turn, turn.
Turn, turn, turn. The road turn left.
Yeah. Okay. So where is your left? Can you tell me? Left. Left hand. Show me your left hand. Left hand. Is that your left hand? Left is, yeah, that is right. That is your right hand. Left hand.
In left hand.
That's your left hand? Are you sure? Yeah, that's your left and right hand. Okay. Left and right. Say it again. Left and right.
Left and right.
Yes, left and right. And oh, here, can you read this one? Jack is
Stand is on the right
road.
side.
Okay, so
Jack
where?
is on the straight road.
That's right, Hehe. So who do you think is Jack? Where is Jack? Oh no,
Yeah.
is Jack? Yeah.
But it is orange.
This one? Ah.
Orange.
Oh, this one is Jack?
Yes.
Yes, that is right. Because again, it says here, Jack is on the straight road. This red car is turning right. And this one, okay, what's this, jet plane?
Okay.
Yes, it's on the air, flying up in the air. So you are correct. Jack, can you read this one again? Jack is?
Jack is on the straight road.
Yes, Jack is on the straight road. Very good. That's amazing. Hehe. And next one, let's check this. Oh, look at this girl. So this girl says, I will
Turn left. We all straight
read
along this road.
along this road. Okay, so the girl will turn left. Where is the left side of the girl?
Here.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she will go and turn left, and then she will go straight to the
House.
yes, go straight to the house. Yeah, that can be too. So turn
Like
left.
this. Just
Huh?
like this.
Oh,
Straight
yes.
side. Not left side.
Yes, she can.
Straight side, not left side.
Yeah, she can go home straight. Why does she need to go to the left and go to the right when she can go straight to their house, maybe? Right? Hey, do you know how to go home alone? Yeah?
No, I
No?
thought so.
No? Is your school far or near?
Monday to the
Your
Sat-
here, my question.
Hello.
Yes. Is your school far or near your house? Mm-hmm.
Go to the left. I go straight and to the left. Now I go to straight.
Straight
Now I go to straight. So
Straight.
I eat so the trick down there.
Okay.
So straight left side. Straight and in the left right side and go to school. It's walking.
You just walk or you go to school by motorbike?
Mommy.
Mommy. Mommy drives drives you to school. I'll say it again. My mom drives me to school.
To school.
Yes. My school is far from our house.
My school is my house.
Is far from our house.
I so slow. I can see a school and already.
You can
I
see.
can see.
What can you
I can
see?
see. I see a school.
Ah,
I see.
Oh, can you try and check this one if I got what you mean? Is this right?
Mother.
Using a motorbike or car?
Mike.
Motorbike? Is
Yes.
this right? What about
No.
here? My school is far from our house. Is that right?
No.
Ah,
No.
near.
No.
Near?
Yes.
Ah,
Near.
say it again. My school is near
Is near from our house.
house. And this one too. My mom.
My mom drive me to
School
school using a no bike.
motorbike. Okay, so your school is near. And can you walk from your school to your house or no?
No.
Okay. So you cannot walk straight to your school from the house. It's a bit far, near, but a little far. Maybe, yeah? Okay, there you go. And next one, what about here? Let's check this. And where's that? So, what about your the supermarket? Is it far from your house? Supermarket.
No.
It's far or near?
Near.
Okay, the supermarket is near our house. Say it again.
My here my school near my house.
Okay, there. All right, now let's check this one. Help Timmy find his doghouse.
Right. I guess I don't know. This go to this. Go and
House.
have
Okay, go straight and go
straight and right side and go to this.
Go straight Okay, go straight, turn right. Okay, go straight again and turn left. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, look. Go straight, turn left, go straight down the road again and turn left. Turn right, turn left. Okay? You say it. Now here, say, excuse me,
Excuse me,
sir.
sir. I love. Can you
You
tell me
tell me
where I am? You are at the library.
library. Say it again.
Library.
Yes. So,
Library.
yeah, the library, is this one. Yeah, this is the library. Okay, Timmy and his dog are at the library. And then, next. Oh no, why is my mouse not doing good today? Okay, here. And then, is there
Is there
a
a
pet shop?
pet shop around here?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, there is one first walk
Yeah.
shop down the road to
So,
the outside.
oh, okay. Again. Read this one again. First, walk
Yes,
straight
first walk straight
down
down the road
to
to the hospital.
yeah. Okay. So you walk straight down the road to the hospital. Straight down. Okay, down. Again, First, walk straight down the hospital. And next,
First,
here is the pet shop.
down is this is the pet shop next to the hospital. No, it is
Ah,
not. Turn left at the hospital and walk a little more.
okay, so all right. Go straight down to the hospital, then turn left, okay, and walk a little more. Next.
Thank you. I'm going there to buy some dog food. You are welcome. Watch
Watch
out
out for,
for the car.
yes, watch out for the cars. Oh no. Right? So, what about you, Uh, from your school, okay, do you know where to go home?
No,
Can you tell me how do you go home from your school?
a school and straight. Now I got to go to left. Now I
Wait,
go
again.
straight. Now I go to left. Now I go straight and then I turn to the right.
Okay, straight,
Now
left, straight. Wait, one more. Okay, so you said, so from our school, okay, I will turn left or right?
left and right.
Left and right? Where? This is your school. You're going out. Where do you go? Left or right?
Straight and to the left.
Okay, wait.
Left.
I will walk straight and turn
Left.
left, and then
and left, and left, straight, straight. Now, at your right, and my help is number
number.
one.
Oh, okay, all right. I will walk straight and then turn left, and then
Go to the right.
go to the right, and then I will walk straight. Did I got it right? Walk straight
Walk straight.
and turn left again.
Left.
Yeah, straight and turn left and turn left and
Right.
right. Turn right,
Yes.
and I will see our house. Okay, our house number. What's your house number?
But
50
51.
51. What is our number? Ask our house number.
My friend is next to the house is 41.
Okay. So next to our house.
Next to my little friend for me and the
41.
house is 41. Yes.
Yeah. Did I got it right?
Now at school is 6-7.
6-7. Ooh, really? 6-7?
At school is number 6-7.
Really? Okay. So, from our school, I will walk straight and turn left. Turn left. Okay. Then, uh, I we'll go to the right, and then we'll walk. I will walk straight and turn right, and okay, can you read this one for me? Hehe.
From your school, do you know where to go home? From our school, I will walk straight to left,
Right.
and I will go to the right, and then I will walk straight and turn left,
Right.
turn right, and I will see our house number 51 to our house is house
House
41.
41. Wow, good job. You can tell, yeah, you can tell directions very well. Good job, very good. Yeah?
You can tell directions very well. Bạn chỉ đường rất giỏi.
Yes, give me high five. This is for you. What does it say?
Changes. Teacher is happy.
Yes, you're good. Oh my God. Okay, that's cool. That's very cool. Hey, you know how to say directions. Cool. Now let's answer this one. So it says here, Cindy says, walk straight down the road to the apple tree. So who is correct?
Mẹ ơi, có vẽ cái đường nha, là không vẽ cái đường.
Walk straight down the road to the apple tree. Who is correct? Is it Pink Pig, Gray Rabbit, or Brown Cat? Or yeah, Brown Bear? Oh, apple tree. So which one is correct? What do you think? Who is right? It is rabbit green.
Wait.
Yes, because again, if we follow, oh, this is a mango tree. This is the apple tree. Yeah. Mango tree. This is the apple tree. So go down straight down the road to the apple tree. This is the mango tree, so this is wrong. This one, it went down and to the right and then down straight. So the correct one is rabbit animal. She is right. Okay. Yeah. Oh no, why? Hi, my. Next, what about this one? Help Cindy get to the pet shop. Pet shop. How can, yes. How can I get to the pet shop, Timmy? First, walk straight down the road. Okay, then turn right. Yes. Then turn right at the school and walk a little more. Now,
I know. This is right.
And yeah.
And then I go to this. It's right.
Yes.
Then I go to this. It's right. Like
Yes.
this. It is right. That's it.
Yeah.
This and the third.
Yeah. That is correct too. That is correct too. But I want you to remember this. Read this one for me. Walk straight.
First walk straight down the road to the school, then turn right at the school and walk a little more.
A little more. Okay, there. And how can Emma get to the house? How can she get to the house? Go
Now,
to the left and walk straight, right? Yes. So you have to go to the left. Go to the left and then go straight to your house. Yes, that's how Emma can get back to their house. Did you get it? Yeah? Yes. Okay, so that's easy peasy. Now I want you to read this one. Can you say, I can read?
road
Yeah.
straight, turn.
First, walk straight,
First walk straight down the road to the hospital. Turn left at hospital
and walk.
and walk a little more.
Yay, that is amazing. So for me, tonight, lang tot lang. You are so amazing. Great job. Good job. Yes. Give me high five. High five. Okay. Teacher will see you again. You're a smart kid. Always remember that. Say, I'm very good in English.
It is very well.
I'm very good in English again.
I well you English well.
Yes, you can speak English well. Okay, so that is our lesson for today. I have another student and teacher will see you again. Okay, bye-bye for now. I love you so much. Stay smart. Bye-bye.
Bye.